All right, so this is the default page. It's hard to upload anything else that will replace this up here. You can insert a picture if you wanted to. Like I can do a splash screen here. Let's just do that one. So I can upload that, and I can, once it's uploaded, I can go ahead and get that out of the way. Save that message, and basically you can click it and pop it up, but realistically I don't think it's going to be a good splash screen. So instead of that, I'm going to redirect all my students to use the Wiki. And I created this, and I've got like a welcome, some information, what's expected of the students, things they should know before we start, software they might need. And then I'm going to start putting daily assignments here, day 1 with the date, day 2, any videos that would be helpful, as well as any webcasts or things that we do. So I'll end up putting them here.